Here are the key features for scalability. Push-button compute scaling. You can scale the compute and memory resources, vertically up or down, up to a maximum of 32 vCPUs and 244 GB of RAM. Compute scaling operations typically complete in a few minutes. Easy storage scaling. The Amazon Aurora engine will automatically grow the size of your database volume as your database storage needs grow, up to a maximum of 64 terabytes, or a maximum you define. The MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle, and PostgreSQL engines allow you to scale up to 64 terabytes of storage, and SQL Server supports up to 16 terabytes. Storage scaling is on the fly, with zero downtime. Amazon RDS read replicas provide enhanced performance and durability for RDS database (DBE) instances. It helps to offload read-heavy database workloads. You can create one or more read replicas of a given primary DB instance within an availability zone, cross-AZ or cross-region. The read replica operates as a DB instance that allows only read-only connections, while master or primary DB instance allows both read and write connections to your application. Updates made to the primary DB instance are asynchronously copied to the read replica. Using read replicas, you can elastically scale out beyond the capacity constraints of a single DB. This increases the aggregate read throughput. Let's look at a common use case. You want to run a reporting application that performs some analytics on the RDS database. In order to reduce the read traffic in the primary database, you can create a read replica for the reporting application to read data directly from the read replica instead. Read replicas can also be promoted to standalone DB instances as a disaster recovery solution if the primary DB instance fails. As you can see, read replica helps scaling out read operations. What about write operations? Amazon Aurora Multi-Master Clusters feature provides the capability to scale out both your read and write operations. In a multi-master cluster, an Aurora cluster consists of a set of master database nodes and a shared storage volume across multiple availability zones for high availability and durability of user data. All DB instances can perform read and write operations. The multi-master cluster doesn't use the failover mechanism because it doesn't need to promote another DB instance to have read-write capability. It offers continuous availability. Any DB instances in this case can take over the work of the failed instance.